Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Onyxx. I'm not dead. And today we're going to be doing a teardown and overview of the original Sony PlayStation. Now, they were originally released in 1994, except this is a 1997 unit, so it is a later model. So I'm taking it apart. So the first thing you want to do is flip it over, and there are 6 Phillips head screws. What you gotta do is remove them. Yes, they're just Phillips. Just gonna skip through this because I don't think you guys want to see me removing screws. Alright, once all the screws are removed, you can just flip it over, and the top should just lift off like so. Make sure you don't have a disc. A copy of Spiral the Dragon. You always want to remove a disc. Taking the top off one of these consoles. Close the lid. If you're doing one hand, go around the edges. And then bam, here's our first look on the inside. This is our power supply. It's internal, so there's no need for a brick. If you remember having a brick for your PlayStation, probably had one of the later models. This is the ONE. So once you remove these 2 screws from the socket, that's all that's holding this guy down. You just want to remove this cable, just like that. And then do that, tilt it to the left and pull out. The disk drive, it's not being held in place, so you just remove the ribbon cable, like so. That drives the laser. Remove the wire that drives the motor for the disk spindle. Set that to the side as well. Bam, now we have the piece of steel that keeps everything nice and cool. I have 2 screws holding down the controller ports. Alright. Then you just want to disconnect this ribbon, lift out, bam. Very modular. 3 screws holding down this piece of steel. Anytime there's more than 3 screws, I'm just going to skip over it. Go on, there you go. I am really fast at unscrewing stuff. Yes, getting it off the magnet. Okay, so do now is just want to pull it up from the back. That'll dislodge it. Then just pull up on one of these disk drive supports, and then just pull up like that. And there's a piece of steel, made of steel. Bam. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 5. I'm just gonna pause real quick. Alright, so once you have all 5 screws removed, we can now lift out the board. By the way, under here are all the processors. This is this little copper flap to help transfer the heat over from this to there, and just this tells the system when the lid is closed, you can just push down on it. That's a good exploit. Well, you can just remove your board, and bam. This is your PlayStation. Very underwhelming. I'll be back once this guy's all buttoned back up. And just like that, we have a PlayStation teardown. Now, I said this is a later model, but I think there's some later than this. And there's some ways to tell which model you have without opening it up. If you have a really, really early model, there will be some audio output ports here. So that, like audio video, so that you can connect it to a DVR or something. Alright. I think later models, although it could be earlier models, not sure. Or it won't say the words, it'll actually just have little symbols. And another great way to tell is from the bottom. So if you look close, you can actually see mine says on focus. This is May 1997. And there's quite a few ways for you to be able to tell which model yours is. I guess the only real thing we can do now is test and make sure I didn't destroy it. If it turns on and spins the disc, then it's almost certainly going to give us video and audio output. So plug in our main. Well, make sure the power's turned off. You don't want to fry anything. Plug in your figure 8. Turns on. So the pop and spiral of the dragon is a great exploit. You don't have to close the lid to get the disc to spin. It's working. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe. And if you want to know about my videos, then just ring that bell and you'll be among the first to know. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment. It'd be a little hard to do because of my camera system, but it should be doable. All that out of the way, I'll see you next time. Arrivederci.